Hi guys! So today we're going to do something different. Now there was this video on YouTube a while ago which is me wearing my husband's clothes for a week and things like that. But I just felt like that's a little unrealistic and you don't really need to go head to toe with your husband's clothes. But there are lots of other fun things you can steal from your husband, like I'm constantly stealing from mine. And if you don't have a husband or a boyfriend, guys, brothers, dads, grandfathers, anybody's wardrobe works. And if any men are watching this, guys, sharing is caring. So first up we have the obvious choice, shirts. Now every man has shirts in his wardrobe and they come in all sizes and all shapes and all colors, and that's the best part. So you could just throw a shirt over like a nice vest and jeans, that's the best option. If your shirt is oversized, I would recommend keeping the rest of your outfit tight because that'll give you some shape and it'll look cool. It's kind of like a mix of masculine and feminine, and you've got like the girly tight vest and then you've got like a nice oversized shirt over that. The other option is if you want to wear shorts or a skirt and pull the shirt out from the bottom. That's the best thing about men's shirts because they're long, they're big, they're oversized, they're comfy, and they look pretty sexy. Men's accessories have always been interesting to me. So I love to throw on a tie sometimes, and if I want that pop of color, maybe a bow tie as well. What do you guys think? Men's t-shirts are usually really long and loose, which makes it really great to pair them with like tights or bike shorts like I've done, because it gives your body like a nice loose fit on the top and a more structured approach on the bottom. You can also tuck in the shirt if you want a more fitted approach, or knot it, which is my favorite thing to do, or just add a bum bag like I've done. Now I've been collecting men's watches since I was a little girl. I used to wear my dad's watch, now I wear my granddad's watch, my dad's watch, and my husband's watch. So yeah, watches are really cool. I feel women look amazing, look sexy with nice big dial men's watches, and it's fun to experiment with them. So go grab your man's watch. Up next we have jackets and blazers. Now I know a lot of you are going to be like, my husband's blazers and jackets are too big for me, but oversized blazers and jackets look really cool if you style them correctly. So today we're going to show you two looks. I'm doing one which is a cool linen blue blazer over a dress. So it's like feminine, but it's got this really cool Sex and the City vibe, which is like a nice oversized blazer over it. And the other one, of course, is like this really cool jacket, again keeping it simple with just a gunji and jeans. Okay, now men's waistcoats are really great if you want to pair them with something feminine and girly like I've done. So wear a skirt, wear a gunji, and maybe throw a waistcoat on. And by the way guys, this is my grandfather's waistcoat. What do you think? styling my husband's clothes and some of my granddad's clothes as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and comment below and tell me if I should do more such videos. See you guys. Bye. Mwah.